So, what do you want to do today? I don't know. What the frick? Did you just burp in my face? Yeah! Freeze! 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 Hey, it don't work. Wait. Oh! Oh my. Sorry, I'm sorry. You freaking hurt me. Sorry. Okay, so anyway, what are you guys doing today? Ah! 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 Run, 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 run. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, he's having a seizure. Someone's at the door! Ah! What the? Hey man, let us in, let us in! We gotta get in, man. He's chasing us. Come on, guys, come on, come on. Oh, guys, what an... Don't be mad, but I brought home some pet fishies. Some pet fishies. Yeah, can we stay with you guys? What the fuck? Okay, so Ed, why the hell are a bunch of angry birds in our house? Okay, so I don't know, I just let them in. So guys, what do you guys want? Oh, okay, sorry, we'll introduce ourselves. So, I'm Chuck, right? Obviously, you know, I'm the cool guy right here. We have Hal. Howdy, mate. We have Bubbles. Hi. We have Blue. Hi. We have Bomb on the back. Sir. We have Laserbeak. What's up, man? And then we have Red. Yeah, what's up? That's a lot of names. Okay. So sorry, Buck. What was that? Chuck. Chuck, okay. Chuck, good to know. Oh my god, hi guys! I guess I was late to the party, yay! Those birds? Birds? What are you guys doing here, you silly gooses? Word. We just came here, you know. Do you guys taste like chicken? If you try to eat me, I'll kill you. So anyway... yeah, why are you guys here exactly? Okay, so, yeah, sorry, why are you guys here? Elmo, did you eat an Angry Bird? Elmo, are you sure? Oh my god, Elmo! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Get out! Get! There we go. Whew. So sorry, I kind of left a hole in the back of his head. Are you good, friend? Are you... Shoot. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we're here because we're being chased by an evil ruler named King Pig. He's trying to eat our eggs and we have to protect them. Well, where are your eggs right now? Blue, where are the eggs? I left them outside! What the fuck? You left them outside? I know, I'm sorry, I panicked and I dropped them. You fucking dropped them! I didn't mean to! They're gonna think, are you sure they're not cracked? I don't, let me check. Oh crap, he's gonna be so mad at me. I only found one, which means King Pig probably already found us. Shit. Bobby? Oh no. I think you broke. Crap. Guys, crap, damn. Guys, I have, some bad news. What? I found an egg. Oh, you did? Was it intact? It was. What did you do? I only found one egg, and I dropped it. You dropped it? Why'd you drop it? Because I was trying to run back as fast as I could. I said, what? And I slipped, and then when I slipped, bro, and then I slipped, and it fell. Fucking idiot! Why would you drop it? I didn't mean to. Wait, guys, you guys are looking for eggs? Yeah. Okay, follow me. I'll show you eggs. Oh, what? Guys, don't follow him. He's just gonna show you freaking like eggs in the fridge. Oh, okay. Anyway, wait, guys. What's so special about you guys, by the way? I didn't think we didn't ask really. Oh, yeah, we all have superpowers. Oh. Yeah, so I can go super fast like this, watch. I'm back. You put my, ow, you bent my nose, mate. This isn't very nice now. Oh, Hal can go flying and he'll fly back. Like, watch, go Hal. Okay, he'll come back eventually. So Bubbles can explode and become really fat.
Hey, it's not fat. It's just me being big boned. It's water weight.
He can multiply himself, but for some reason his powers aren't working, so we're trying to figure that out. Laserbeak can shoot lasers out of his eyes.
Yeah, like this. Pew!
Okay, so yep. Red doesn't do anything because he's basic, and Bomb can blow up. Yeah, man, watch this. Ba-bam. Yeah. Hey guys, it's oh crap. Wait. Oh, sorry, man. I didn't mean to bump into you. Oh crap. Hey, sorry, man. I ain't gonna cap. I don't think that guy's alive anymore. He looks pretty dead to me. A bunch of red gooey stuff shot out. I'm assuming he's dead, man. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, so. Sorry, man. Sorry, I totally just came back on you like that. Oh, thanks for demonstrating your powers, Hal. What a great time to come back. Yeah, mate, want to show you again? It's pretty cool. Watch, I can boomerang around the house like this. Great. Oh, crap. Sorry about that, mate. Totally me. Oh, shoot. Oh no! So then that's when it happened. The Great Pig and Angry Bird War. Oh wow. Yeah, many soldiers were lost and many soldiers were gained, you know. Oh, what the? God damn it, Hal! Oh my, he's here. He's here. You now cannot defeat me. I will kill you all. Oh, there's way more than I thought of you. Get him. Oh! Sorry about that. How do I? Oh! God. Oh, maybe if I, you know. Bam! Oi! Oh! But! B! Dang! Blam! Oh no! Damn, those guys are getting wrecked down there. Huh. So they're gonna like live with us now, or like?